Grayson, you couldn't hear me because I was muted, sir. Thank you for letting me know. I was doing a live rip and ship Saturday and I had it muted and I forgot to take it off mute. So that's why you couldn't hear me talking. So I appreciate you letting me know that. So I do not have any unsold teams, guys. Everything is accounted for. Everything is taken. I do have the New York Giants in the next upcoming Prism break. We're doing a Prism box right after this. The Giants are available on that one. But yes, Grayson, I do see you have the Colts here. Tori E, I'm assuming that's you. So here's our owner's list for our 2020 Mosaic Football Cello packs. One box break number 28. This is box 28. Here is our owner's list. Oh, awesome. Okay. Well, hopefully you have good luck in both breaks. That's our owner's list for this Mosaic. So, all good, Grayson, all good. See what we can find, you guys, huh? Let's see what's hiding in these things. The last box we had was very good to us. Let's see what this one does. We have a sealed box of Mosaic here. There we go. Okay, let's see what we can find. Good luck. Hopefully everybody had a nice weekend. I don't know where you guys are today, but we have some beautiful weather here today. Alright guys, that's all our packs out. So we're going to save the pink camos for last. Let us go ahead and get all the cards out of the normal packs. Throw away the kids' reporters as I go. Alright guys, 2 packs left. Alright, that's our break right there. Stack of cards with the pink camos. We will see what we can find. So good luck to everybody. Here we go. We got our first Mosaic Prism, old school Peyton Manning insert. It's a nice one for the Colts. Here we got a rookie debut, Jalen Hurts. Rookie debut Hurts. We'll sleeve that up for Philly. Philadelphia's going to Jason A. Nice Hurts for you there, Jason. Green Prism, Darius Slayton for the Giants. Will to win Derrick Henry. Cam Akers rookie for the Rams. That's a nice one. Will to win Prism insert. Larry Fitzgerald for Arizona. Stephen V. We got a green of Calvin Johnson. Newest Hall of Famer. Calvin Johnson for Detroit. Nice insert here for the Chiefs. Touchdown Masters, Patrick Mahomes. We got another Mosaic Prism of Yannick Ngakoue for the Jags. Old school John Elway insert. Zach Moss rookie for Buffalo. Nice Prism here for the Jags. Prism rookie of C.J. Henderson. C.J. Henderson Prism rookie. It's a nice one for the Jacksonville Jaguars, Jeffrey B. MVP's insert, Patrick Mahomes. We got a green of Jeff Okudah for the Detroit Lions. Green rookie for Detroit. Here's a Flea Flickers insert for Dallas. Ezekiel Elliott, Dak Prescott, Amari Cooper. Nice rookie for the Colts, Jonathan Taylor. Camera does not like these shiny cards. Oh, I think that might... No, that's not a... Never mind. Odell Beckham. We have a Flea Flicker Prism for the Colts. There you go, Grayson. Nice looking card. Edgerrin James, Peyton Manning, Reggie Wayne. Flea Flicker Prism insert. Barry Sanders Hall of Fame. Russell Wilson. Julian Edelman. Brian Burns. There's a Thurman Thomas green for Buffalo. Got game Aaron Rodgers. Jerry Jeudy rookie. It's a nice one for Denver. Touchdown Masters Dan Marino. It's a cool card for Miami. Justin Jefferson rookie debut for the Vikings. Minnesota Vikings are going out to Don K. Got a Prism MVP's Aaron Rodgers Mosaic Prism for the Packers. Steve D. There's another one for the Packers. Jordan Love, base rookie. Got a silver prism coming up. Nice one, Kyler Murray. Nice silver for Arizona. Kyler Murray silver. Mosaic green, AJ Terrell for the Falcons. Stephen V. Got game Jimmy Garoppolo. And CeeDee Lamb rookie. Nice one for Dallas there. Okay, we got a backwards card. That typically means autograph, but I was fooled last time, so I'm not going to promise it. But we do have a backwards card, and typically that is an autograph, so we'll see what we got. Here's a really cool card for the Jags. Flea Flickers insert. Prism. Leonard Fournette, Gardner Minshew, DJ Chark. Really nice looking card here for the Jags. Jeffrey B. Kenny Galladay, Wentz, Mosaic coming up, David Montgomery for the Bears. Old school, Joe Namath. There's a Chase Young rookie for Washington, Kevin P. We got Will to Win, Jerry Rice insert. Here's a nice one for the Bengals. NFL debut rookie Joe Burrow. NFL debut rookie Joe Burrow for the Bengals. Christopher H. Joe Burrow. NFL debut rookie. Green Prism, Sony Michel for the Patriots. Got game Kyler Murray. There's a nice rookie for Kansas City, Clyde Edwards-Helaire. Here's a silver for the Denver Broncos, Melvin Gordon, silver. Jacob Eason, NFL debut rookie. Green, Cam Akers, NFL debut rookie for the Rams. Flea Flicker insert, Arizona. Kenyon Drake, Kyler Murray, Larry Fitzgerald. Jacob Eason, base rookie for Indianapolis. Will to Win, insert, Josh Allen. We got a green coming up of Ryan Tannehill. Ryan Tannehill, green Mosaic for Tennessee. Got game Josh Jacobs, Tyler Johnson rookie. Got game green Prism, Aaron Donald for the Rams. NFL debut J.K. Dobbins. Green Atlanta Falcons, Stephen V. That's Deion Sanders. Touchdown Masters Adrian Peterson. C.J. Henderson for the Jacksonville Jaguars. Alright, so I think I'm going to save the potential auto here for last. We'll do the pink camo cards first. Last time it was a backwards card, it was just a base card. I don't know why they put a base card backwards. So I don't want to say it's an auto, but more times than not when it's backwards, it's an auto. So we'll see. Marquise Brown, Alvin Kamara, and Laviska Shenault Jr. for the Jags. Jordy Nelson, Josh Allen, and MVPs Tom Brady. That's a cool one for the Patriots. James B. Jeff Saturday, Jalen Ramsey, And MVP's Peyton Manning. There's Jeff Saturday used to be his center. That's kind of a cool pack. Marlon Mack. Grayson picking up a lot of Indianapolis Colts cards in these pinks. Cooper Kupp. And Hall of Famer Troy Polamalu. Von Miller. Jamal Adams. And Jalen Reagor, rookie for the Eagles. Chandler Jones, John Riggins, and NFL debut pink Tua Tagovailoa. Nice one from Miami. Pink Tua for Miami. Philip. Oh, Philip, are you in here, dude? You didn't tell me you were in here. Philip, are you in here? Tua Tagovailoa, pink. For Philip St. Pierre. There he is. What's up, Phil? There you go, buddy. How do you always go under the radar on me, man? There you go. There's a Tua for you. You didn't want to jinx it this time, right? No jinxing. AJ Green. Jerome Bettis. TJ Watt. T.Y. Hilton. Tony, I'm not sure. This is where I put it here. I think it's an auto. I'm not going to guarantee it, but it is a backwards card. Backwards cards are typically autographs. So, Antonio Gibson, rookie. It is sitting right here. If it is an auto, I'll show it. That's going to be the last card I show. Last time it was a backwards card. It was a base Dwight Freeman, non-auto. So I don't want to promise you guys an auto if it's not, but it is a backwards card. Chris Jones, Adam Thielen. Ooh, here's a nice one too for Philly. Jalen Hurts, pink. Jalen Hurts, pink rookie. Another nice one for Philly. It's a second Hurts. Jason A. No, Genesis are not backwards. The only backwards cards I've seen in here are autos. Yeah, I think it is an auto. I just didn't want to promise it because last time I promised an auto, it was a base card. I felt like crap. So I do think it's an auto. So I'm just saving it for last. We'll see. I hope it is for you guys. Brian Burns. Miles Sanders, and Cole Kmet for the Bears. You all right there, Chief? Mm-hmm. Yeah, here's the man of the hour. This is the base card that I pulled that I thought was the auto. Just a base Dwight Freeney. Dwight Freeney, DK Metcalf, another Joe Burrow. Holy cow! NFL debut Joe Burrow pink. That's our second NFL debut, Joe Burrow. This time we got the pink. I know Christopher will take it. He doesn't care how many Joe Burrows he gets. Joe Burrow pink. All right, guys, last pack. And then we'll find out what that card is. Good luck. Julius Peppers. Carson Wentz. And Clyde Edwards-Helaire. That's a nice one for the Chiefs. Alright guys, let's find out what this is. So I'm just going to flip it over and we're going to find out together. Good luck. See? Same thing happened last time. Just a base Patrick Mahomes. Another base.
No.
Yeah, the same thing happened again.
Backwards again?
Yeah, it was backwards like this, and it was just a base card.
Would have been a nice auto too.
Patrick Mahomes would have been a great auto. This is exactly what happened last time, guys. The card was backwards like that, and I pulled it, and it's just a base. That's why I didn't want to promise you guys an auto. It's the same thing that happened last time. So it's just a Patrick Mahomes. Sorry, guys. Yeah, we're gonna do Prism right after this at 2:30. Prism's at 2:30. All right, guys. Here's our recap. Minus the fake auto, which I'm probably not gonna say it's an auto anymore. I'm just gonna save it for last and see what it is, because that's the second time that's happened. It was in the auto position too. I don't know why that's backwards. It was a base card. So we got a Joe Burrow pink for the Bengals. Jalen Hurts pink for the Eagles. Tua Tagovailoa pink rookie for the Miami Dolphins, and Philip St. Pierre. There you go, Phil. Cheers. NFL debut Joe Burrow. That's the second Joe Burrow we pulled. And a second Jalen Hurts we pulled tonight. Jalen Hurts. Only thing we didn't pull was Herbert. So apologies go out to the Chargers. It's a nice box minus that. But that is going to do it for us here, guys. We will be back at 2:30, approximately 20 minutes from now, with a box of Prism football. The New York Giants are available. If anybody wants the Giants in this Prism box we're doing next right here, Prism football. So if anyone is interested, come on back at 2:30, approximately 20 minutes from now, 15-20 minutes, and claim them in chat. And until then, guys, appreciate everybody that joined in this break. Appreciate everybody in the chat. Tony, Andrew, Grayson, Phil. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and stay safe. Thanks, guys.